I'm Wehaki Karanja.
And what's your good name?
Americ.
Pardon?
Americ Ndomo.
All right, tell us what you guys do.
This is Faniki Africa Organization, and we are a community of young people who are embodied in charity events. So it's a community we started back in campus, and we started giving back to the community by, giving books. And now, over 3 years, we've been able to come up with an organization which is called Faniki Africa. And now we've been able to do projects in Narok, Kajiado, Nanyuki, just reaching out to needy people out there.
All right.
Yes.
Do you feel like whatever you guys do has been impactful to different people?
Sorry?
Do you feel like whatever you do has been impactful to people?
Very much, by the way. We've seen a lot of impact, especially during the COVID time 2020. We did a couple of projects and it really went a long way in helping a lot of guys. Yeah.
Nice. So do you guys make your own products, or what do you exactly do?
So we come together and we fundraise. So we ask you to come and help us fundraise for a project that we are having. Like currently, we are having a project in Vihiga, and we are taking computers to children in Maragoli, West Maragoli. So we call our networks, our friends, our parents, our family. We tell them, hey, look, we want to take technology to those kids who have not seen it yet. So that is the current project that we are having as per now. And we are here at AfroTrace to help fundraise for Vihiga project.
All right. Is this the first time you're gracing this event?
The first time we are?
Gracing this event?
Yes. We are proud sponsors of AfroTrace, and we want to thank the founder, Victor Njoroge, who has been able to integrate us into this event. It's a great event. We love the artistic and musical side of young people, and this is also where we get to network, which is a great thing.
Hello?
Hi,
What's your name?
Mark Omonde.
All right, tell us what you do.
I'm about just the bucket hats and the bomber jackets that I'm wearing. Majorly, I'm just majoring on Ankara.
Do you make these products on your own?
Yeah, I make the products. We are in a team of 3 brothers, so we all come up with the designs and we make.
Nice. Is this the first time you're coming to showcase your product at AfroTrace?
Yeah, this is my first time, but I've done showcasing, but this is my first time here since they reached out to me and I said why not come? Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
It was awesome. At the beginning it was quite cold, but people warmed up to the designs and they liked it.
At every event, as usual, we have to look at the different kind of foods, the different kind of drinks that are being served at this very specific event. And right here, I'm with one of the representatives from Spiked Juice Tales. Yeah. How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ndichi Kombo.
All right. Tell us about Spiked Juice Tales. What do you guys do?
So basically, we are a brand that majors on making juice tales, alcohol-based juice tales. They have vodka and gin in them. We have 5 flavors, which are apple, mango, pineapple, strawberry, and orange. Yes.
So why the name Spiked Juice Tales?
So actually, that's a very good question. We actually had a controversy with the name because people interpreted the name as about dragging the drink, but how we see it, we chose the name Spiked because we want to involve, like we want to build a community and we chose the name Spiked because we want to infuse, like we want to have a community of people, and the name Spiked seemed as the best name. For us, it means aligned, to be aligned.
Do you guys have a physical shop or do you sell online?
Yeah, currently we sell online. We are working on having physical shops, which actually by the end of November, we'll have our first physical shop.
I'm really excited to try this spiked juice. So I'll let you choose a flavor for me.
Yes, you can have this one. This one is orange juice spiked with vodka. Yes, it has orange juice in it. Orange juice spiked with vodka. So, first impression.
It has a nice vibe. Like I can tell there's some vodka and somewhat some gin inside.
It's vodka with juice.
Just juice.
Yes.
It's nice. I love it. Out of 10, I'm definitely giving it a 9.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you very much. I'll take that.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, and I hope to have more of this spiked juice.
Yeah.
And after I'm done with this one, I'll tell you if the effect is as hard.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time. All right, moving on, guys. We move over to these amazing wines from this beautiful lady. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Charity.
All right, Charity. Tell us what you guys do.
We sell Australian wines. We have a variety, 6 variety, the Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, Sangiovese, Fortified Shiraz, which is our best selling. It's sweet and it has brandy in it. Now it has 18% alcohol base volume. Best served as a dessert wine. Yes.
So do you guys have like a physical shop where you sell specifically this, or do you sell online?
We do sell online at 6212 Nauticals on Instagram and Twitter, and you can order via our website at www.6212nauticals.com.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Robert or Roba. Yeah,
All right, Robert. Tell us what you do.
I'm a catering student. Yeah, but this is my business actually. Roba is my business. I started like 3 months ago. Like yeah,
How is that taking you?
si mbaya sana iko tu like there's been ups and downs like vile wamefunga kulikuwa na curfew and stuff, but hope vitu zitakuwa poa as in with the first event after curfew. I mean, so
Okay, hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Smorege.
I like this art that you have on your face.
Thank you.
What are you supposed to be? What animal is this?
Just a skull.
Just a skull.
Yeah,
All right. Are you a chef as well?
yeah, but I've been into this for just 4 months. Yeah.
This sampling side, you'll have to hold the microphone for me now. I hope it's not hot.
okay, it's not as hot, but
It's not as hot.
It's
Yeah. So this is choma chicken. I love it. It's nice. It has that juicy feeling. I love it. Thank you. So hi guys, I'm here with one of the main event organizers of this event, and I just want to understand what it's like planning a whole event. How cumbersome, how troublesome is it, or how freestyle is it? Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
My name is Alfin Juma. I'm from a company called Shakes Events. That's my company. I run it with my events partner called Cecilia Pierre. We focus mainly on events planning and management within Nairobi and outside Nairobi as well. So what exactly did you want to know?
I'd want to know, for how long have you been doing events?
I've been doing events for the past 10 years, but I started my own company for 4 years ago. That's when I started my own company, that is Shakes Events. Yeah, so it's been up and running since the last 4 years. Yeah, it hasn't been easy. It's quite an interesting journey. You get to understand and learn a lot while you're at it. So it's something really amazing, and I learn a lot each and every day that I get to work on it.
Let's talk about Afro Trace. First of all, what inspired you to have this kind of event?
Okay, so today we had an event called Mud Drive. Mud Drive is all about EDM music. So EDM is electric dance music, whereby the DJs get to showcase their talents in terms of electric music. And today we got to have different DJs, like you saw, and all of them showcased their talents, and everyone in the crowd enjoyed it, and it was an amazing event. We didn't have such a huge crowd as we had expected, but so far so good. Everyone that came through had an amazing time. I'm sure you had an amazing time, right? You enjoyed the music? Yeah, so that's all about, or rather that is what we talk about when we say EDM, or rather Mud Drive. So whenever you hear Mud Drive, just understand that we are bringing you the best electric music dance performances by the best DJs in town.
Thank you so much for your time.
You are welcome. So we are inviting all of you guys, whenever you hear we have an event, make sure you come through, and we will have lots of fun, lots of music, lots of entertainment. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Okay.